Hey guys, welcome to HTML crash course for absolute beginners. So if you are watching this video, then you already know what exactly HTML is and why is it important to learn HTML. HTML is not a programming language, it's a markup language. HTML itself stands for hypertext markup language, right? So just make sure that you don't mention HTML whenever you are asked what programming languages do you know. I see many developers confuse it, like especially the beginners, they tend to say HTML, I know HTML whenever they are asked what are the programming languages they know. So just know this, that HTML is not a programming language. HTML is a markup language. Markup language in the sense it tells the web browser or your web page how to structure the whole content, how to structure the different types of content on the website. It's just like if you assume web page is a human body, then HTML is a bone, right? How these bones determine the structure of our body. Same way, HTML defines the structure of a whole web page. And how the muscles or hair color or our skin color determines the look and feel of our body. Same way, CSS is the look and feel or color, styling and all those things are determined by CSS for a web page. And the motion or our energy or let's say our clothes, whatever apparels we wear on our body, same way JavaScript is for web page. We can do many stuff with JavaScript. So this is the difference, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But when you start learning web development, HTML is the basic thing that you need to have, you must learn before getting started with web development. Or I can say this is the first step when you are entering into the world of web development. So once again, HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and it's extremely easy. We will cover all the concepts of HTML after this crash course. You won't be in, you will not have to refer any other websites or any other courses online, at least to learn HTML. You'll be completely proficient with HTML, and with lots of exercises and references, I'll make sure that you get this right in the first place itself. So how this course is structured, I have created around let's say 26 chapters over here, right? Code editor, paragraph heading, links. These are all the topics, these are all the chapters that we will be covering. Right now we are recording this HTML introduction, and slowly we'll cover from basics, from starting with code editor to 26th HTML, advanced HTML, how to type HTML with short codes and all those things. So yeah, we have structured this very neatly, covering all the aspects of HTML, and we will go through each of them one by one, and I'll make sure that every chapter is easy to digest and it is presented in the most simplistic manner. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video in the second chapter, right? Thank you.